In this video, I'm going to be going over 4 modules. 4 modules allow you to create customizable forms with questions and prompts with responses available as drop-down menus, rich text areas, multiple choice sections, checkboxes, or tags that template adapters can complete and publish to display in their portfolio. To get a form module, you're going to click the Add Content button. Go up to Form, and for the checkbox and the tag options allow multiple sections, where multiple choice and drop down also allow a single section, and rich text are intended for a short answer response. So I'm going to go ahead and click on checkbox, which it then brings here. You can write in the question. So we'll make the question, when did Alaska become a state? In option 1, you can type in the intended answers. And then you're just going to click out of it, and it allows you to see the answers. And then it also allows them to click what answer they think is correct. And that is how you enter a form module into your portfolio.